Intelligent parallel groove clamp installation tool. Tilt angle adjustable based on on-site conditions. Main unit power on. Remote control power on. Enter operating system. Reset before use. Multi-function remote control. Remotely controls the stripper unit for automated operation on insulated wires. Precisely controls stripping length according to job requirements. Low resistance wire clamp reduces stripping friction resistance. Prevents wire breakage risk caused by wire rotation. Protects conductor cores from damage. Infrared optical sensing system provides primary level control. Prevents blade over penetration and wire damage caused by eccentric wires or external factors. Allows observation of the stripping path status. Attach the device to the position on the insulated wire requiring stripping. Begin stripping. After stripping is complete, remove the tool. Smooth, undamaged wire with a clean, burr-free cut.